While some few weeks ago, I had a mishap where one of my staff got an accident and he had some fractures. And Your Excellency, he was treated in Moi Referral Hospital. I thought I was going to pay over 400,000. But in the day he was to be released, SHA paid everything. So, what we are saying is, yes, there are a few challenges, sometimes system problems. And the CEO yesterday clarified that those problems were identified, there were issues of the systems, they've been able to get more servers, so those problems have been addressed. So this is the media report, right? We said, yes, SHA is good, few teething problems, but they are being addressed. I want to call on all Nandi, kindly let's register. We are now at 25%. Other places, some are shouting, but they are registering. They are benefiting from this SHA. And finally, I mentioned, Your Excellency, a week or so ago, on the issue of the budgeting process that happens in Parliament. And I say, a time has come if this country is to be fair. Over time, they've always been skewed budgets. Particular regions have been getting quite a lot of money for quite so many years past. And I had said, going forward, if Parliament is the one that is appropriating all the funds, hii kamati yenye iko bunge ya kutengeneza budget, hiyo na ivunjwe so that we have a proper representative budget committee in Parliament that is going to have every year a proper distribution of resources across the country. Haiwezi kuwa sehemu zingine za nchi, because Parliament has quite some strength, inapata pesa, ina appropriate pesa zingine mingi, ikae sehemu moja for many years past. Kama vile maona, we are young politicians, and we are saying whatever we see is not right, we speak it right, so that it be done right. And I call upon you, Deputy President, there is a problem that happens pale kwa budget committee. Itengenezwe vizuri so that we have representation, hata tupate wabunge kutoka Nandi ambao wako pale Nandi. Hii kitu ikiwa kakawanywa tuko pale ndani ya hiyo budget committee, ndio it becomes fair upon all of us. Ongelo tang budget lakini mitage ngenyo negeame serune magimwajin kiso gimete mitage ya tananune singepte to atugi mom kemya nanune ne balete amadale dagi yaogere hiba biglaget keba access nyo nagi makoya ko tiondo ipkebor ko nyoga ndap ko itko kelejini rip mite jega jiptong nyo ipkinda agenge nyo kotoy ko lujego mutaga koet kole kotoy ko sich masek orono ko ngetuny ngomagirip inyaba 2027 ko nito nyo sumbone bit amaje ke wal budget committee intayo sigeso kongwe. Governor Nandi, Your Excellency Stephen Sang, please welcome, sir. Karibu.
Tumpigie makofi Mheshimiwa Kitur. Asante sana mjumbe. Your Excellency, the